Hi everyone, Carol here. Hope you're well. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to export indicators once you've applied your filters in the preventive maintenance indicators. So, once you're inside your Infraspeak platform, we're going to head on over to the left-hand side menu, and we're going to select the Analytics tab. Once we've done that, we're going to head on over to the Planned Jobs indicator and click on that one. We're going to apply our filters. So we're going to choose our client, also select the building, and then we have the ability to select a date interval in which we want to analyze our data. Once we've applied these filters, we can click on Filter, and we will have a predefined data pop up for us. Now, if we want to export this data into an Excel spreadsheet, all we have to do is come here, and all of this graph that you're seeing here can be exported into an Excel file. All you have to do is come to the right-hand side and click on the Export Data icon, and that will automatically export the Excel file for you. And here you have the Excel file with the same data that is on your graph. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching.